Hey everyone, Car Spotter 2.0 here, and we're back with another unboxing video. Today, we're something that is unfamiliar to a lot of you guys. But you guys already know the model. A 1981 a Chevrolet Corvette with monster truck parts. Yeah, that's right. Monster Jam and Chevy have to work together to make this one. It was very unreal for something like this. And now this one is actually part of the Crash Legend series. And it's more in the back. Let me show you. So yes, there's other ones. I can see I can try to get the rest of them. Yeah, the name is right here. This is a Corvette. Muscle car? Actually, the Corvette is actually a sports car, not muscle. Strength is classic power, and the car is VetJet. Didn't know that existed. Alright. That's a you know. Alright. Let's get a closer look. Okay. Alright, almost there. There we go. I got it out. And here we go. The Corvette monster car. Man, look at how much they did to this one. Look at the wheels. They're huge. And like all my, they can make sharp turns. Now let me. And the back side. Now here it is. Right here. It's probably a Wisconsin plate. Well, this is an American car. But this is very nice. Oh, it had 1984. So this is a 1984 Corvette. Alright. I like this one. And there's a crushable car. This one. It's a crushable car. And I believe this one can connect to other ones. I gotta see how I can get the other ones. In the meantime, we gotta see what it can do. There we go. Yeah, whoa, the car is all running. Hey, gosh. Well, this one's plastic. Both the other ones are rubber. Well, that's it. This unboxing video is now over. Well, I hope you guys like this one, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye!